Yeah, hi, and welcome to my channel, Makarand Joshi Painting. In this video, I'm going to explain how to paint a landscape if your subject is against light. I'll be speaking about this video, the picture about this video. And if you remember last week, I uploaded this picture. Of course, I had a video related to it as to how to paint it. This time, in the description box, you'll find a link to my album, an album I have posted on my Facebook page containing many pictures, in fact, many landscapes of Indian villages, East Indian villages. So enjoy. Here we begin. Painting subject against light in the landscape. The drawing. In this painting, I have used sap green, scarlet red, violet, and yellow ochre. As usual, painting the background using a broad brush, followed by a mark brush. You need to be really extremely careful while painting sharp edges, especially in case wet in wet technique. Coming up next is a quick recap of the entire process, right from the drawing to the final outcome. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit anywhere inside this circle and subscribe to it for more and more interesting and similar videos. Thank you. I wish you happy viewing and happy painting.